What's up guys, and welcome back to Top Car Detailing. Now we've got a Porsche GTS in for a major paint correction detail. Lots of issues here in the paint. Also we've got a ceramic coating on this. We don't even know what it is. And this is another thing too, that many people out there these days supplying stuff, get this ceramic coating, that ceramic coating, they don't know what they're putting on the vehicles. So it's up to me now to polish this off and get back to the paint and sort this out. Also, two of the wheels have got curb damage as well. Remember before what I said, we do alloy wheel refurbishment too. So these will be coming off the car and being sent away for refurbishment. We'll be doing some work on the interior as well. All the glass is going to be treated later, and the wheels as well being ceramic coated once they come back. Same with all the body work. So lots to do on this. Right, so I'm going to crack on now. Lots of issues in the paintwork on this Porsche Panamera GTS here. You can see some deep scratches there in the paintwork, and also this has got a ceramic coating on it, so we've got to remove that. As we go along here where the spotlight's are, you can see the mishmash of swirl marks and scratches there in the paintwork. This is why it's important that you've got the correct lighting in a car detailing studio like we have here, so we can pick out all these defects, and then we know exactly once we start doing the machine polishing that we're removing all these issues out of the paintwork. Same along the top here on the spoiler, you can see what a mess that's in as well. Before we do any machine polishing, it's quite important really to have an understanding and background into how things are made, because like with the different types of lacquers and paints that there are in the industry today, there's many variations. Some are tough paints, soft paints, that type of thing. Even the coatings as well. What you've got to be able to select the right compound and polishing pads, etc., to remove these in a safe and efficient manner. Also taking a look at the paintwork here on the vehicle, you can see all them nasty swirl marks and holograms there, what's going on in the paintwork. Lots of machine polishing needed on this particular vehicle to remove the coating and cut that back and get back to the paintwork as well. That's why you've got to have an understanding and background in chemistry like I do. Right, so I'm just checking the paintwork on the door now. As you would have seen me just with the machine, different pad again, a bit more aggressive here down this section, because we've got some really deeper scratches there as well in the paintwork. So I've got rid of them now. To the rear door now on the passenger side, sort this correction out here, then the bottom sills, and then we're done on the first stage of paint correction. Right, so I've just machine polished this whole panel here, and yeah, as you will see, there's a few dabs of polish about here where I've put on. So what I'm going to do is carry on now a bit more aggressive on these areas, to alleviate some more defects in the paint. So very important too, you know what you're doing when you're doing paint correction on cars, because remember what I've said before, you're diminishing the top coat of lacquer all the time whilst doing the correction work. But not only this, on this car we've got to remove a coating to get back to the paintwork to then alleviate all them defects. Come back to this particular panel on the second stage here, doing a bit more heavier polishing to remove some deeper marks that's there as well. As I say, you've got to be very careful once you're doing this type of work, because we're diminishing the top coat of lacquer as well to remove defects. Now panel wiping the whole car down to remove any polish residues and that type of thing before we do another visual inspection with a lamp. Well, the gloss level now is looking truly outstanding on this fantastic Porsche Panamera GTS here at Top Car Detailing. Two-stage machine polish overall to sort the correction out and remove the previous coating that was on the vehicle.
Now applying the ceramic coating to the paintwork to seal in the gloss and the finish of all that hard work that we've achieved after the machine polishing for some years to come.
Well, the 9-year-old fantastic Porsche Panamera GTS is now finished here at Top Car Detailing. Major paint correction detail overall, but also we had to get rid of the old coating that was on this vehicle in the first place. So we got rid of all that. Also we sent the wheels away for refurbishment, repainted, and also the outer rim diamond cut finish on them. So if that's a service you're looking for as a bolt-on with any of our car detailing packages, that's what we can offer you here as well. We also removed a few dents as well from the vehicle, and that's another in-house operation we offer here at Top Car Detailing. So what we'll do now is just go and take a pan round and have a look at a few things what we've done on this particular vehicle. We've treated all the leather seating inside the car, deep cleaned that, got all the marks out and that type of thing, and then put another coating over the top, which is a dye blocker basically, so nothing's going to sink into there, and it's just going to protect the leather for some years to come. Treated all the glass as well on the vehicle, hydrophobic coating all round, on the rear, on the side window, and a different coating altogether on the front windscreen, because there is some coatings out there this day and age can cause streaking and cause mayhem basically. So but we've got the right coatings here, and that's what we believe in, only using the best of the best for our customers' cars. As you would have seen before, as I said, we had to do a diamond cut finish on the outside rim of the wheel here because of curb damage. As you would have seen earlier on in the video when I went round with the camera in the first place, how badly scratched the rear spoiler was here. Got rid of all them nasty swirl marks and holograms that out the paintwork as well. Same thing again with the rear lights too. These have been machine polished up, and as you would have seen earlier on, what a mess they were in, but we sorted them out too for the customer. This car's also got a retractable spoiler as well, so I'll drop that down and I'll just show you how this operates. See, that tucks away nicely now in the back, and it's all symmetrical as well. This is what it's about here, Top Car Detailing, turning cars into mirrors. And look at the depth of reflections there now. Well guys, thanks once again for watching another video on my YouTube channel. If you liked it, the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. And we're always working on nice cars here at Top Car Detailing, and you never know, your car could also feature too in one of our videos. And here I believe in showing our work as it is in true form for you guys out there to see exactly what we're doing here. So turning cars round from a swirled up mess back to a mirror finish. And now I'm going to have to go now, but in the meantime, if you like find out any more information about our car detailing services and what we can offer you, check out www.topcardetailing.co.uk, and I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.